Howdy. Thought we'd try a little Keith Urban today. Raining on Sunday. Let's see how we can do here. It'll take just like a time that never lets up on you. Say that life was easy, God is never through. You run us too ragged, it'll harden out our hearts. After you, the day of rest, when we both start falling apart. I pray that it's raining on Sunday, storming like crazy. We'll hide under the covers all afternoon. Maybe whatever comes Monday, take care of itself, 'cause we've got better things that we can do. And it's raining on Sunday. Good love is like religion across Mexico. Your kiss is like the innocence of a prayer nailed to a door. Both surrender is much sweeter when we both let go. Let the water wash our bodies clean, and the love wash our souls. Pray that it's raining on Sunday, storming like crazy. We'll hide under the covers all afternoon. Baby, whatever comes Monday, take care of itself, 'cause we've got better things that we can do. When it's raining on Sunday. Oh, let it rain. Oh, let it rain. We'll call that the abridged version, but we'll take it. Happy holidays.